Oh, I'm just arrived to the fruit section. As you see, there's many types of fruit, and it's very interesting actually. It's a colorful. It is interesting. And it looks yummy. It's organized very well and attractively. This is the orange one. This is the yellow apple. Oh, what's that? Let me take a look. Oh, that's golden berry. Actually, it's an interesting one. As you see it, I don't know, but they call it a golden berry. It's from berries family, which consists of a lot of types of berries, but I don't know all of them. I just see this for the first time. I asked the one who working here, the fruit man. He told me, the seller man, sorry. He told me that's one of the berries family, and it consists of roseberry, blackberry. There's many types of berry, blueberries, and they have many benefits. And one of these, the golden berries one, has a benefit for the stomach and immunity. It's increasing immunity. As he cereal section, as you see, contain a different types of cereal, which all of them made of the cereal, and have a different types of cereal which differ in component. For example, grain cereal, fruit and fiber cereal, and chocolate. Of course, taste of these are different, and this cereal mixed with milk and eat by human being at the breakfast, and very attractive for children who like it because colorful, as you see, and has a sweet taste. Many types of breads, as you see. Some of them are white, some of them are brown colors, and have many shapes. Some of them is very spherical, large, small spherical, and some of them is elongated, as we see. This one is irregular shape, square planar, and of course they have different names, but I don't know actually what they call it. But I know this one's called toast. This brown one is made from oat and barley, and